Okay, hello everyone, Colin Anglin here, and just here to give you this quick tutorial on how to create video newsletters. Now, of course, you want to log into your system and go to products, or if you're a customer, you would already be on your video communication center when you log in, and just click on video newsletters, create video newsletters. This will bring you here, right, to the custom video newsletter section. Now, you'll notice over here on your left, there's a lot of different options for pre-designed templates. So let's say you're in the accounting field. You can click on that and see what kind of templates they already have for accounting. And you can select one of those templates. So it already looks beautifully designed for you. And in order for you to change the text, it's as simple as double clicking the section, okay, putting in what you want to put, okay, and then clicking the little save button. Okay, so anytime you double click there, you have to click on the save button to finalize that change. Okay, and same thing with any of these photos. For example, if you want to upload a photo, you can do so by clicking on this button. Okay, you would choose a file from a certain location. Let's just go ahead and select one. Click upload. Now, once you upload it, it's going to give you a little space, and you can choose whether or not you want to expand to include the entire picture, or if you want to reduce what is actually shown, you can do that by just dragging the area. But once you're done, click on crop it, and then click use this, and you notice that the picture is changed, right? So you can do that for any one of those pictures. Now, here's something that's really cool for you to know, is that you can use these newsletters with or without video. So if you don't want to have a video in your newsletter, you can simply delete that section and just fill it with text, just like that. Or you can go ahead and bring it back, and then you can choose a video. So of course you can go ahead and record your video using the webcam feature. You can go ahead and import the video, use a save video, or depending on your purpose, use a Fusion Pro video if you're promoting Talk Fusion and you want to share these tools with someone else. You have to give the newsletter a name. Okay, so let's just say accounting, for example. Okay, and remember, now you can check all of these different categories depending on what you're doing. If it's in business, here's a bunch of different categories: charity and fundraising, customer service. So there are hundreds of pre-designed templates here just to make life really, really easy for you. But of course, if you get the Pro Pack, then you can get your very own one-of-a-kind customized video newsletter template created by the art department. So these are all just look at these, just incredibly beautiful and pre-designed, ready to go. You can simply edit it and send it off. Okay, there you go. Okay, and so after we have, let's say we choose a video, let's go ahead and choose a video, and you do have unlimited storage, right? I'm going to go ahead and select a video here. The video is going to play once you select it. It's going to load and play just so that you see an example of what it's like. Okay, so there it is. Once I've edited my text and I've included my video, or like we said earlier, if you don't want it, you can take the video out. Completely up to you. Once you're done, you want to go ahead and send it. Now, if you want to preview what this video newsletter will look like before you send it off to your audience, you can always click preview and test, and then just put in the email address that you want to send it to. Alright, and then it will go ahead and send it. So you can actually test what the video newsletter will look like before you actually send it off. A great feature. Okay, and that's it. It really is as simple as that. And when you're ready, now you just want to go ahead and click send. It's going to take you to the part where you fill out your information. So you can edit your name and address and website information right here if you'd like. You can choose what groups you want to send it off to, or you can type in a person's name. You can type in a person's email address right here and click that green arrow. Or if it's somebody already in your inbox, in this case I'll send it to myself. Okay. In the subject line you can say, I just chose a real estate template, so I'll just say real estate news. Okay. And here, if you want to allow your video newsletter to be shared, which just works out better for you, you just make life easier in case somebody wants to share it with someone else. You have the share button that allows it to be shared on over 200 social media sites. So I would tick that normally, because of course, you know, the more people share your video newsletter, the more promotion and free advertising you're going to get. So it's just as simple as that. You don't need to put anything in the message section, simply because it's a newsletter, so they're going to see the newsletter itself. And that's it. That's as simple as it is. You can put their contact name before the message. So if you're sending it out to hundreds of people and you have them in your contact list, it will actually personally customize the person's name before the subject. So that works out really nice for personalizing it. And of course you can go ahead and send it now, or you can schedule it to be sent later. So if this is something that you want to go out, if it's the same message and you want it to go out weekly, bi-weekly, once per month, quarterly, you can set it right now. For example, set a start date for it, set an end date for it. So if you know it's going to be maybe next year sometime, it will send it out once a quarter. So once every 3 months, that message will be sent until the end date comes. And you can choose what time of day you want that to be sent. So maybe 9 a.m. in the morning. And then once you click Save Email, Schedule Settings, then it will go ahead and send that stuff out. You can put your Facebook page or your Twitter page in there, or if you don't have it, then you don't have to put it in. Okay, you would have to tick that, but I'm going to leave that for now. And I'm going to go ahead and send this message now, so I just click Send. And that's it. It's done. That is how easy it is to send off a video newsletter. Take care. Until next time.